Hi guys, Tyler Morris with MarineMax Houston, and today I'm on a very special boat. It's a brand new Saxdor 320 GTO. This boat is powered by twin Mercury 300 outboards, pushing the boat to speeds well above 50 miles an hour. So it's a super fun boat to drive around. It does have joystick piloting on there as well. You can see we do have that activated. You get a nice kind of walk around transom platform area, but where this boat really shines is with these fold down swim terraces, port and starboard. It really helps open up this entertaining space. Another awesome feature about this boat is this rear seat actually can fold all the way forward with the table folded down, and with this seat scooted forward and flipped backwards, creating a huge sun pad area while you're docked up, or potentially even while you're underway. You'll see in front of this reversible chair row here, which you can also pick these up to give you some more space. You've got an awesome summer kitchen setup. Got your electric grill, sink, prep station, and then you've got storage drawers below. On this starboard side over here, you've also got a nice refrigerated box. In addition to that starboard side refrigerated box, you've got another one here on the port with an actual separate little freezer panel and perfect spot for wine bottles to sit. Up at the helm, we've got twin Simrad displays. You've got your zip wake, automatic trim tab system, Mercury joystick control, your electronic binnacles, bow thruster control, wireless phone charger, all your switches and cup holders as well. On the port side of the helm, you've got a nice entry to your cabin. Really nice size berth for a 32. That's a little memory foam mattress topper rolled up, and you can make that head private with a swing out door. Now that I'm up at the bow, you'll see we've got this awesome sun pad for while you're underway or hanging out. There are some skylights for the cabin underneath here. So you've got additional cup holders, JL speakers, and then you've got phenomenal access to get on and off the dock using this step if you bow in, but you also gain access to this gigantic anchor locker. If you're looking for a Saxdor like this one, give us a call. We'd be happy to take care of you.